In this video, we are going to discuss about the key concepts in financial management. So, what are the key concepts? The key concepts are service valuation, previously known as charging. So, what is a service valuation? It is a mechanism to get the expenditure which we have insisted or which we have provided the services or invested on the services. So, coming to service investment analysis, previously known as budgeting. So, here in the budgeting, we divide for each and every service what is the budget we want to put in. You can see account. So, accounting is nothing but maintaining separate accounts for each and every service, so that what is the amount incurred in it and what we are getting the output from that account. You can also see about the cost units and cost types. So, what is cost per unit is demanded and what are the cost types like fixed cost, variable cost, etc. You can see a business case. A business case is nothing but a procedure which documented so that we follow that business case. Coming to the business impact analysis, based on the outages, what are the impact and analysis is documented in the business impact analysis. So, coming to the in-depth of each key concept will be discussed in the next videos.